Alden Richards masayang dumalo sa kanyang block screening para kina Kim at Pao.
Let's go. Support.
Yes! Hey, Jeffrey!
Together. And let's go, guys. Cheers to life. Let's go. Congratulations. Cheers. Let's go.
Merry Christmas. Advance Christmas party. Ito na. Running and everything, may pa-boodle fight at ngayon, meron naman siyang pa-block screening. Thank you so much, grabe. At sa mga gym friends namin, grabe, di ba pala itsura kapag nakamaong,
Polo.
Walang mga jersey outfits and
Justin, nakatakin!
Nakatakin lahat. This is the fittest block screening.
Yeah!
Lahat may abs.
For My Love Will Make You Disappear for Kim and Pao. Siyempre, our beloved teammates sa Metcon. And ayoko na magsalita ng mahaba. Pagod na pagod ako today, guys. Anyway, please welcome, of course, the stars of My Love Will Make You Disappear, Kim Chu and Paula Avellino.
Hello and good evening, everyone. As I said earlier, it's so weird to see everyone dressed up. I usually see everyone in gym clothes, but yeah, thank you for coming out on a Sunday. You know, Sundays are usually rest days or family day from work, from stress. But people who rest on Sundays are weak. We run during the morning and we work after. Thank you so much for coming out. Thank you so much for being here.
Ang wish ko ay...
Invited po kami. Next teleserye, King.
Ang babae? Okay.
Wala, nag-glossy ako.
Anong masasabi ninyo sa balitang ito? Magkomento sa ibaba at huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe for more videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood!